Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Wealthy Leads Crypto, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really make money through trading cryptocurrency? Is Richard and Laz's program a good program for you to make money online, or are there better ways to make money online out there? Okay. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I've reviewed literally thousands of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them though are an absolute waste of time, okay? So let's just check out Wealthy Leads Crypto by Richard and Laz to find out whether this is a good way for you to use AI bots and cryptocurrency to generate wealth for yourself. All right. Now, if you've landed on this page right here, it's just wealthyleads.com. You're going to see a login, or basically a registration for their webinar. Okay. So it says generate passive income with the emergence of cryptocurrency, how to generate passive income with their simple 3-step system, investing with cryptocurrency like you've never seen before. And they generate anywhere from 30% to 100% ROI in a month, which is crazy returns, okay? 30 to 100% ROI is just insane. It is possible, but it's a huge income claim right there, right? And then if you want to access their training, and this one is slightly dated, you can just kind of log in here, put in your details, your address, and you can kind of jump into the system right here, right? Right here it costs $2,000, right? But you can also do it for 3Pay for $1,000 per month, all right? And this is how much this one costs. So they've got different offers actually on this. And it depends on what offer that you see. Sometimes they have it at a discount, but this one currently right here is actually $2,000. All right. Now, what are you actually getting with Wealthy Leads, and what is it exactly? So Richard and Laz are actually drop shippers. So they have a very successful drop shipping business, and this is something that they're doing, currently, right? And they're teaching people basically how to invest in the crypto markets using their crypto course and their crypto strategy. And they also have an AI bot crypto strategy, right? So what do you actually get with this is, first of all, there are 6 modules, all right? You're gonna learn everything about crypto basics, crypto trading, how to set up your accounts, how to set up your trading account, how to set up the right wallets. They go through a lot of technical analysis, they go through fundamental analysis, they go through risk management, and they go through things like margin trading and short selling as well. And then on top of that, they also teach you how to use AI bots, okay? And that's an upsell. But basically, AI bots are bots where you can give them certain parameters. And when cryptocurrencies go up and down, you're able to generate profits whether they go up or down or not. And that's how you sort of siphon profits through cryptocurrency AI bots, okay? I've done this. I've invested a lot of money in cryptocurrency, $200,000-300,000 US dollars in cryptocurrency. So I'm also a very experienced cryptocurrency investor. So I know exactly what they're talking about when they're talking about using AI bots and basically trading cryptocurrency, okay? Now the big question is does this work? Right? Do their strategies actually work? What is Richard and Laz actually teaching here? And can you really make money trading cryptocurrency? So the simple answer is yes. All right, you can make money trading cryptocurrency. Now, the base strategy of what they teach here, right? Margin trading, short selling, things like that, requires you to be more active. Okay, so I think they've done a good job on teaching the basics of cryptocurrency, what they are, they explain everything really well. What are the different types of bots that you can use, what wallets, all the technical analysis, risk strategy, all of that stuff. I think they've done very, very well, right? The margin trading and short selling requires a more active approach. That means if you really want to become a day trader, or someone that's actively looking at your cryptocurrency a little bit of time every single day, then they're going to teach you how to do that, all right? Now, on top of that, they teach something called AI bot crypto trading, right? Where you've got an AI bot. It's not really an AI. Well, it is, I guess, an AI bot. Well, it's basically a bot that where you set certain parameters, like I mentioned earlier, right? And if it goes outside of those parameters, it doesn't work. But if it stays within the parameters, you can potentially make quite a lot of money with these AI bots, right? But it's not one of those things where it's a guaranteed success, because you have to understand that what Richard and Laz are teaching you here is an investment strategy, okay? Now, with any investment strategy, whether it's property, whether it's stocks and mutual funds, or whether it's cryptocurrency, there's always a risk, okay, that you're not going to make money with it, all right? And there's also a risk that you might lose money. So you have to understand that there is no guarantee when it comes to investing. Now, they've done a good job of teaching you everything they know about making money with cryptocurrency, making money with the AI bots, with margin trading, with short selling. But you have to understand that even with the automated AI bots, you're not 100% guaranteed to make money, and you can also lose money if you don't implement the AI bots correctly. Okay, so the one thing that I will say is I think on their training and on their sales video, they do make it sound like you're definitely guaranteed to make money with this. And I think that's where the problem actually starts. Okay, it's not that you can't make money with their strategies. You can, right? And they've done a good job of teaching you the risk management part of it and understanding what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing. But I think that some of the people that get into this program think that if they just use the AI bot and they don't really do anything, they are guaranteed to make money. And unfortunately, that's just not the case. Okay, with AI bots, you can still lose money, but yes, you can make money with them as well. And I've used AI bots in cryptocurrency, and I made a lot of money with them. But if you're not careful and if you don't understand how to set up the parameters correctly, you can still lose money if you're not careful, and if you don't apply the right fundamentals and mindset to going into the investment strategy, if that makes sense. Okay, so you just have to understand that, right? And so I think do I think you can make money with Wealthy Leads crypto? I think you can, right? I think that Richard and Laz have a pretty good training program right here. It's not the cheapest one out there, it's $2,000. I personally have paid very similar prices for crypto training programs. $2,000. I've even paid $5,000 for a crypto program. So a lot of the decent ones are roughly around this price. Okay, is it cheap? No, not really. I think it's definitely a little bit on the expensive side, right? But it does come with a refund, apparently. Okay, so it does come with a 30-day refund, but we'll talk about that in a second, right? So overall, I think their training is decent. All right, if you follow it, if you're willing to become a proper trader and put in the time and the effort and the investment that it takes to make money in cryptocurrency, then you can potentially make some money from this program. All right, I think where it falls a little bit short is that it's a little bit hypey when it comes to the AI bot trading part, right? Which you can make money, but you can also lose money as well. Just like any investment strategy, if you're not careful, you can absolutely lose money. And then the other thing that you have to understand about cryptocurrency trading in general is that the more money you have to invest in capital, the more money you can potentially make. Okay, if you have very little money to invest in crypto, you're not going to make that much money, right? Because even if you're getting 10% returns a month on $100, it's not really that much money. Does that make sense, right? So the amount of capital that you have plays a very, very big part on how much money you can potentially win or lose when you're doing crypto trading. You just have to be careful with that. All right, now they do say that they have a refund policy, okay, but unfortunately I have found that a lot of people were not able to get their refunds. All right, so if I just come to bbb.org, right, and you can see here Wealthy Leads, this is their business right here. There have been quite a lot of complaints about people not being able to receive their refunds. All right, so it says here that with this particular, I think they changed their offers, right? With this particular offer, there was a 60-day money-back guarantee, and this person basically, if you read this, the long and short of it was they made it extremely difficult for them to actually get their refund, right? And they weren't able to get it. And so if you kind of scroll through this, a lot of it has to do with that. A lot of them was, this one was, I tried to close to 90 days. I didn't produce any profits like advertised. I requested money back, requested their money back. This one signed up for the AI program, but because of health concerns, they weren't able to do it, right? And then it says, many were complaining, same refund issue. They were not able to get it back, okay? So again, a few things right here. So if you read through these, a lot of them said that for whatever reasons, they weren't able to make any money with the AI bot, or they decided to change their mind. They weren't, they didn't have enough time to actually get involved in the strategy, and a lot of them weren't able to actually get their refund back. Okay, so I would just be a little bit wary of that, right? It's not that you can't make money from their program. I think that you can, if you implement it in the right way and you come in with the right mindset, and understand that no matter how amazing the crypto trading strategy is, you still can lose money, right? Because it's investing. Just like anything, even if you had the best, property investment course or the best, stock investment strategy, you can still lose money because it's investing. So you have to, weigh the pros and the cons and just understand that with investing, there's always an element of risk, okay? And even with the AI bot that Wealthy Leads is talking about, you are not guaranteed to make money. Because again, if it falls outside of the parameters or you don't set it up correctly, even AI bots, unfortunately, can lose you money because cryptocurrency is very volatile. So no matter how you set it up, sometimes it goes outside of the parameters and unfortunately you just lose money, okay? And that's just the way that it works. So as long as you come in with those eyes wide open, then I think that this is a decent cryptocurrency course. They're not so great on their refunds, unfortunately, as seen, by the Better Business Bureau reports, unfortunately. But otherwise, if you're not looking to refund and you actually want to implement their strategy, then it's pretty decent. Okay, so you can check it out if you would like, wealthyleads.com. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now, you might be looking for a way to generate income, right? On this channel, I've literally reviewed tons and tons of strategies, everything from cryptocurrency Ponzi schemes to cryptocurrency courses, investment strategies, to MLM, to affiliate marketing, to dropshipping, to all sorts of different make money online push button websites, right? And a lot of them a waste of time. Some of them okay, and some of them really good, okay? Now, but out of all the strategies, I still think for a beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month and more is a very specific strategy. So if you want to check out that strategy, out of all of the research and investing that I've done with my own hard-earned money, this one, if you would like to get your hands on it, I've got a free masterclass you can check out, and I'll send you that strategy if you would like to check out that particular $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 a month. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Wealthy Leads. All the best to you, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.